Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy without sugar. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need isomalt, water, and any flavorings or food coloring you like. Make sure you have a clean saucepan, a heat-safe container, and a reliable candy thermometer. Also, prepare your skewers or string by dipping them in the isomalt solution and letting them dry. Now, let's create the isomalt solution. Combine 2 cups of isomalt with 1/2 cup of water in a clean saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring gently until all the isomalt completely dissolves and the liquid becomes clear. Continue to heat the solution without stirring until it reaches precisely 320 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This temperature is crucial for proper crystallization. Once your solution reaches the correct temperature, carefully pour it into your heat-safe container. If you want colored or flavored rock candy, now is the time to add a few drops of food coloring and your chosen flavor extract. Stir gently to combine. Next, dip your pre-dried skewers into the solution, ensuring they are fully coated, then let them dry for a few minutes to create seed crystals. Now for the exciting part, crystal growth. Carefully submerge your prepared skewers into the isomalt solution, making sure they don't touch the bottom or sides of the container. Place the container in a cool, undisturbed spot. Over the next several days, you'll see beautiful crystals begin to form. Once they reach your desired size, remove them and let them dry completely. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.